Hey YouTube, I made an address sign for my house. Here's what it looks like. Here's a video of how I made it with the plasma CNC. Y'all enjoy. They were 2.5 inches, so let's make them 5 inches. That way you can be able to see them from the street. So that's what this is what I just did. I doubled over here. I'm gonna put this in the, set that sheet metal back up and do some dialing in of the torch there and make sure we got the right size. All right, so these are gonna be big. Just want to look down this here, look down these slats in here and make sure that my metal's pretty squared up with it. And then when I go over here, I want to move my torch to the end of the last cut on that 2. And look over here where it's at. It's gonna end up right there. We got clearance from that other area where we cut the smaller letters, so what's wrong with that? Let's see how it goes. More. Nice and big. Oh yeah. Look at that. Nice clean. It looks clean. Let's find this other 8. Should be in here somewhere. So yeah, we doubled the size without having to go rewrite a new G code. So I like that. Ain't so bad. And these are nice and big. You'll be able to see these from the street. Water. It's good at cooling them things off. Go. All right, we're getting this water table drained. I'm gonna go over here to the wire wheel and get these letters cleaned up. See if we can knock this dross off the back, which all right, I'm about to cut the, get those all cleaned up. I'm about to cut the backing plate here for the sign. So my plan is make a bunch of, some holes appropriately placed and then plug weld them to the numbers on the back. So I'm just gonna get this thing lined up where it needs to be, cut that back plate, get that cleaned up, and then go from there. Cool. Get this thing cleaned up real quick before I even mess with those letters. I'd put a 1/4 inch radius on all the edges here. This one doesn't have it. So I'll go back and look at my file there and see what the heck happened there. All right, so here's the plan. I got the base plate cleaned up, rounded this corner over with the angle grinder. There's 2 holes right there. Put that number there, weld it from the back after I paint everything. So that's what it looks like.
perfect. Yeah, go ahead. That's good enough. Higher, honey. There you go. Yeah. Okay, yeah, there you go. Get a little too close, there you go. That's good. Make sure I let dry. Here's how I like it, ready? For this.